how to add a PDF to Mailchimp. Now, when you come to Mailchimp.com, come here and click on content from the left-hand panel. And you will be on this section. First, I need you to upload your PDF file. So just come here, click on upload. It'll open up your file explorer. So here I will go ahead and get a PDF for you. So let's say it is this PDF right here. So I'll go ahead and open this up. And as you can see, it is currently uploading. And once it is done uploading, I'll go ahead and grab the link, okay? Copy this URL. Just click on copy URL right here. And then go back to your email campaign. So let's say it's this one right here. I'll click on edit. We'll go over to content, click on edit design. And if you don't have a button, guys, go ahead and add a button. You just drag and drop the button right there. I'll go ahead and undo that. So we can change the button text right here, right? We can change it to click for PDF or anything you want to go ahead and do, whatever your call to action will be. So we'll link it to this URL right here, okay? And make sure it's set to web, okay? And here is the URL. It will open the link in a new tab. So that is all you need to do. You can go ahead and preview this on what it would look like. So when someone comes here, you just go ahead and click on this. We'll open this up in a new tab, and they will go ahead and get your PDF. It's really that easy and simple.